Do you want to look younger? Many of my patients are distressed by the appearance, the progressive appearance of wrinkles and folds in the lower part of their face. There are now solutions that can help you that are minimally invasive using lasers that do terrific things regarding skin tightening of the face and the neck. Some of my patients come to see me and telling me, "Doc, can you do this for me, please?" And they go on by telling me, "I don't want any surgery. I don't want to be transformed, and I don't even want my husband or my wife to know." When a patient comes to see me for a consult for skin tightening, we always take a picture using this machine, which allow us to analyze their skin complexion. So it allows us to see beyond what our eyes can see in more details. As you get older, your skin gets looser, and with gravity, it migrates downwards. As you can see, for this patient, it migrates downwards. The nose is a fixed point that is fixed to the skull via the nasal bone. So if this doesn't move and this moves downwards, then you get a break here, which are your nasolabial folds. And we have also two anchor ligaments, if you want, that holds the help us hold the lower lip. So if this doesn't move and this moves downwards, therefore you get a break here called the marionette lines. And then you can also appreciate what happens later on, which are the smoker's lines that come into play. At Physimed Medispa, we specialize in lasers, and we have all kinds of lasers that do different things. Some lasers remove hair when you want to do laser hair removal. Some lasers remove pigment. Some lasers are specific to remove some fat, and other lasers are specific for skin tightening. What you have to understand is what gives us firmness of the skin or laxity of the skin. This has to do with the density of molecule of collagen and elastin that we have in our tissue. Unfortunately for us, with age, starting at 20, we start losing some collagen and elastin gradually over time. The more collagen and elastin that we lose, the looser the skin becomes, and therefore it starts to sag. What the laser does is that it counteracts this effect by stimulating our fibroblasts, which are the cells that make collagen and elastin in our skin. During one treatment, you get 4 lasers. The first laser is intraoral, that is inside the mouth. It doesn't hurt, it stimulates your fibroblasts, and what's nice about it is that it addresses the nasolabial folds, the marionette lines, and all the smoker's lines that you have around your lips from within, from inside the mouth. Then you get 3 lasers from outside, that is one that is deep, one that is intermediate, and one that is superficial. And that way we tackle all the different layers of the skin of your face to give you the best result and the best tightening possible. What's amazing with this treatment is that there is no downtime. How many treatments do you need with this? Well, it depends on how young you are or how old you are, and how much laxity you've developed over the years. Here are a couple of examples of my own patients that we treated with this type of laser. So the first patient is a 57-year-old lady who came to see me quite distraught by all these wrinkles and folds that started to happen around her mouth. And she was particularly distraught by the laxity of the skin of her neck. And she was telling me that during the pandemic, she was doing a lot of Zoom calls, and she was looking at herself, and her neck was driving her absolutely crazy. So we started to treat her with laser, and you can appreciate the transformation from when you compare the before and after picture, and you can appreciate how much tightening she got around her neck, and you can see how much her face, the skin of her face lifted, and now you can appreciate the corner of her mouth because the nasolabial folds got retracted. The second example is a 67-year-old lady who came to see me because she was quite unhappy about all these wrinkles and folds that started to appear around her mouth. And she didn't want any surgery, and she just wanted to have a subtle reduction of these wrinkles. So you can appreciate with the after picture how we were able to achieve just that, and the patient was super satisfied with the results. In both pictures, she is not wearing makeup, and nowadays when she wears makeup, you know, she just looks beautiful and fabulous. Now, people ask me, who can benefit from this, from these treatments with these lasers? Well, to be honest, everyone can. Prior to treatments, I always meet my patients for a free consultation so that we can assess the issues at hand, the degree of laxity of the skin, and also we try to address the objectives of the patient to see how we can best help our patients achieve their goals. So if you're looking for a technique to help you tighten the skin of the face and the neck with minimally invasive technique, with no downtime, and a natural look, I think we have the solution for you.